Ramadan henna ideas. Start by placing small dots to shape your moon. This will help you keep it, even once you have the shape. Add a line in the middle to give it more detail. After you've drawn your line, start adding tear-like drops inside the moon. You can already see the moon taking shape. Now, fill in any gaps with small dots to add more detail. Wow, it looks so pretty. Now, draw a line and add some dots then. Now, let's add a lantern to make the design even more beautiful. Create a dome-like shape beneath the line and add a few lines underneath to give the lantern more detail. Follow the rest of the tutorial as shown. Ooh, I love it. Tell me what you think.